more records, Jordan?
What did I do recently? All skull coins I got the record for recently.
Damn, bro. Own that shit. Own that shit, dude. That's lit.
I know one guy's working hard on any percent, so...
It's good to have competition. That breeds better records.
Oh,
It's
100%.
a great thing. See, my thing is, I would love to do a speed run, but I figure I'm trying to think. Other than Pokemon, I don't know which one I'd want to do. You know,
Right.
it would probably be Pokemon because Mario, you have to learn a lot of shit from Mario. Mario's like, yeah, that takes a lot of skill.
Yeah, Mario's hard.
That's very hard. But maybe I eventually maybe I'd try like a Gen 2, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think about it.
Yeah, you know you're not gonna try it, dude.
No, I loved it. No, you don't understand. I loved Gen 2. It's literally on my keychain, bro. I love Crystal.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here. You have no
Oh
idea.
yeah, buddy.
My love for Suicune passes
I
my
know,
love
I know,
for
yeah.
most people.
Oh, yeah, too cool.
You mean Sui,
Oh yeah, Suicanine.
Sukanine? Yeah, you mean Sukanine?
I'm telling you,